Hello traders, my name is Rolan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for choosing my video. So today we have another strategy. So you will learn something new, of course, if you're beginner in the binary options, so you'll get everything clear and not so hard. So take notes, repeat after me. Today we're gonna open 500 positions, $500 positions. So let's add the currency pairs right away that have the highest payout rate. So remember about that too. I'm gonna open positions according to the trend direction today, and consequently we'll select trend indicator because of the trend direction. It's gonna be the alligator. By using this indicator, it's really handy to open positions according to the trend, not when there's a flat. And now I'm gonna show and explain to you the example of opening. Let's see if there's any dynamics on the currency pairs. It would be better to see less flat situations, so I already see a good sharp movement on the charts. And I guess we'll keep these currency pairs, so we're not gonna drag this out and find out the most promising trade entry. Find the best currency pair for us. So I guess we need to open a short position. No, not there. Oh, for example, right here, short position is okay. I'll explain the principle of the trade entry. We're gonna open position considering the pullbacks. Early on we saw the ascending directions here, then the resistance zone played out and the price started going down. And now we take a look at this zone in more detail. We see that all indicators moving averages are facing downwards. Also the upward zone played out, and in the first case we see little corrections after which the price goes down, and in the second one we see the small correction or pullback, and then the price movement should go down following the downtrend. That's why we opened the short position here, guys. I think we'll see the breakdown right at the end, and the position will be closed with a profit as always, because this is the first position and this is traditional to close it with profit like that, guys. Nice. First position is in profit. Like I said, good entry point, good timing. We played out on the pullback. Basically, this trade entry is successful, right? And I hope our future trades are gonna be the same for today. We're not gonna slow down here. No, just beginning and find the next currency pair for the most promising trade entry. We're looking for the good payout percentages. And I guess we can open here short too. Selecting the workspace. Okay, nice dynamics on the market. We see that the indicators jaws are opened of alligator and the price movement goes to the downside. Then we take a look at this following zone. We see a small correction here, and after this correction the price should continue moving down following the downtrend, of course. Again, we have chosen the pullback moment, and the correction is over. That's why we opened the short position. Nice candle breaking down. A good timing of the trade opening. The resistance zone played out, and I think the movement should also be to the downwards. Just 10 seconds left before closing of that position, and I guess we will be in a profit. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Okay, our position ended up at 0. It's okay. We saw strong dynamics from the last candle and we end up with 0. But it's fine. Sometimes it happens. You saw how it's gone. Now this is trading and we cannot escape losses all the time. But in our case, we didn't lose anything. And there's no stopping here. Okay, yeah, small pit, but that's all right. Find next currency pair. Let's open long position right now. Right here, we see strong ascending dynamics here. That's why long. We select in the workspace. All the moving averages of the indicator are facing upwards. Now the alligator's jaw is widely opened. After this correction, we have a strong ascending dynamics. Despite candles low volatility, we see good movement. That's why right after the pullback, we opened the long position according to the uptrend while using this indicator. Guys, keep in mind, you should always open position according to the trend, because this is trend indicator, right? Because it's trend indicator. So keep this in mind and never forget. This is basic. This is main rule. So good level over position. There's literally several seconds left before the trade, and then we're in the profits. Okay, there's no more zero positions, only profit positions, and our position has been closed with a profit. Another 100% signal played out perfectly. I think you already understood the principle of work with the strategy. The strategy is not really complicated. Even beginners in trading, as I said, can easily handle it. So we're not gonna slow down and select the next currency pair. Let's continue and open here for short. Okay, we are opening. Here the sideways movement prevails. We see the flat, but it's okay, that's all right. Basically we observe the downtrend. Here we see a little flat right here, and I assume that this is some kind of correction here, an accumulation stage, and eventually the breakdown should happen, because previously we saw the correction from the green candle, and I think the price should go down. That's why we opened the short position. So yeah, there's a 15 seconds left before the climax. The breakdown has already happened. We see the good level. Okay, I like it. And I guess this position should end up in profits too. Just like that. Nice. As I said, guys, again, we're in the profits. Everything correct. We opened according to the trend after the correction, and again we can see result by yourself. We can see result, yes. So the result is plain to see. We started with almost 1,500, I guess, but now we're close to 3,000 our balance, and there is no stopping here. Looking for the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry, looking for the good payout trade, and look for the pullback, guys. The best one is for a pullback. So the price break through here, open a long position, little bit different principle of trade entry. We see that the crossing of the indicators moving averages did happen, okay, and it tells us that there's gonna be a strong uptrend. Early on we saw the correction, then the update of local bottom points in these zones. I'll point them out for you. Let me just select it here, and here. And it tells us that there's gonna be a strong uptrend again, and after that's why we open long position. Principle of the trade entry is a little bit different, like I said, but the result you will see by yourself. So it's the same thing. There is nothing to worry about so far, and I guess we would see the breakdown on the last second, and the position would be closed with a profit. Okay, nice. Position is in profits again, and as you can see, there is a pattern for the opening such trades quite successful. It was a little tensely. Now the position has been closed almost at the level of opening, but further you see the breakdown. I didn't come up with anything. The breakdown did happen anyway, and the position is in profit, so we're not gonna slow down. Here we open a couple more trades in order to solidify the result. If you didn't get anything, So for this, we're changing the currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So we're looking for the good payout rates. We need more money. Here's the flat so far. Don't like it. What do we have in this currency pair? Let's open a short position here, selecting the workspace. Early on, we observe a strong ascending dynamics, then the trend reversal takes place, right? The price goes down, so let's take a look at this zone in more detail. Here's the sideways movement. Definitely a flat prevails right now, but we see small descending dynamics, so small, low candles volatility, we see the small pullback. So after which the price should go down, right? We also see the reversal of the moving averages to the downside. That's why we open the short position, and we already see the breakdown, a good level of opening. We have 12 seconds left, and as we see low volatility here, I guess even if the green candle shows up like now, it couldn't reach the level of our trade entry. So weak, and we're in the profits because we're so strong and so smart, right? So let's carrying on our analysis. Let's continue. Nice position there, and let's continue. Okay, and I guess we can withdraw the money very soon. I like this currency pair, and I guess I should open a short position here. I'll explain why, despite our moving averages are reversing to the upside, but I guess here the resistance zone should play out, right? Let me select it, but I guess here's the resistance zone should play out. That'll be the local maximum that happened here, and hence the price movement should go to the downside, at least to the support level. Now the flat situation prevails, and the support zone doing great. The local minimum doesn't update, and the price should go down. We played in advance here, and there is 15 seconds left before closing. And in the last seconds, I guess we're likely to see the breakdown, and the position would end up in profits, right? So guys, our final trade is in profits right now. Of course, our final position is in profit, like every single position today except one which closed in zero. Sad, but that's all right. So $4,197 on our balance. Great results, considering the fact that we started with $1,500. So let's move to the wallet. Let's put 3,197. I left 1,000. Okay, press the continue button, and we are all right. Our operation is processing. I'll attach the screenshot when it's done. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram channel. YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, and subscriptions to my channels. All links you will find below in the video. I'm waiting for you. So thank you. Waiting for your comments. Any strategies? Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments. I appreciate that. And of course, subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start. And 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.